In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for PowerPoint 2026 full guide. We're going to build a complete presentation by having ChatGPT write the code that creates your slides. Then we'll style everything right inside PowerPoint. This approach saves tons of time and keeps your content structured and consistent. Start by giving ChatGPT a precise master prompt. Ask it to act as an expert content developer and VBA programmer, and to generate an executable PowerPoint VBA script for your chosen topic. Specify an exact number of slides and the audience profile so the tone fits. Tell it that each slide should include a strong title and 3 to 4 impact-driven bullet points. Require the standard PP layout text layout so text lands in the correct placeholders. Instruct it not to add any template cleanup or closing lines that would shut your file, and to present the entire output inside a single copyable code block. Provide a clear, detailed topic and any must-include points so the bullets hit the mark. When the code appears, use the built-in copy button to grab it in one go. Open a blank presentation in PowerPoint. Press Alt plus F11 on Windows or Option plus F11 on Mac to launch the Visual Basic Editor. If the shortcut isn't active, enable the Developer tab through the PowerPoint options, then click Visual Basic from that tab to reach the same place. In the editor, go to Insert and choose Module. A blank code window will open. Click inside and paste the full VBA block from ChatGPT. Make sure you include everything from start to finish. Run it by pressing F5 or by clicking the small green play icon. PowerPoint will execute the script and instantly build your multi-slide deck with the titles and bullet chains you requested, all placed in standard placeholders. Close the editor to return to your slides. Now apply visual polish using PowerPoint Designer. Select your first slide, go to the Home tab and click Designer, the magic wand icon on the right. A panel will suggest layouts, imagery, and color schemes tailored to your text. Choose a design you like and repeat for the remaining slides to create a cohesive look. You can still edit wording. Designer adapts to content changes. If a slide needs refinement or you hit a minor code hiccup, don't start over. In the same chat, ask ChatGPT to regenerate the VBA only for the specific slide, describing exactly what to add or emphasize. Paste the updated block back into your module and run it again to refresh that slide. And that's it. With a precise VBA prompt and PowerPoint's Designer,